Next up, we have graphic styles. This is our appearance window that we've been using, and notice that there is another tab called graphic styles. If you don't see that, go to your window and make sure that graphic styles are indeed checked. So it just popped me to this next tab. If you want to split them off and have two different things, you can do that as well. So a graphic style is a saved set of appearance attributes that you can reuse. So if we like the way we stylize the words art with the almost 3D beveling and the pattern and everything, we can save that look as a graphic style. Kind of like global colors, a graphic style, if we edit it, will update everywhere on the artboards that it's being used. So let's see what we have here already in our graphic styles. If you hover over, you'll see what it is. So the default graphic style is nothing. The next one is an RGB canvas, and the next one is a drop shadow. So those are the three that exist already, plus we do have libraries down here. So in the graphic styles, we are going to click on the library, and we're going to come down to the Illuminate Styles library. So this pulls up another floating window, and whatever we choose in here is going to be added to our graphic styles or to artwork that we have selected or to artwork that we have selected on our artboard. So with our selection tool, we're going to come down here, we're going to click on this rectangle shape that is the metal band of the paintbrush. And now in our Illuminate Styles library, we're going to choose the aluminum highlight style first, and we're going to apply that. So it's applied to the piece of art, and it's applied or added to our graphic styles menu. And then we're going to come back and we're also going to hit the steel highlight. That stacked another one on top, and we can see both of them are in our panel now. We can close this floating illuminate window. We're done with that. So by clicking on the first style, we applied the appearance attributes of that style to the selected artwork. And then when we clicked on the second one, we replaced the appearance attributes of the first style with this new one, but both of them are added. So this is now the second one, but we have access to both of them in our library here. All right, with it still selected here, we can look over at our appearance panel and we can see something new. Path, steel highlight. This means that the graphic style called steel highlights is being applied to this shape or path right now. All right, so that's one that came from the library. Now we're going to learn how to create and apply a new one. So with our selection tool, we're going to click on the banner shape beneath the word art. So just this top banner here that has the white fill and the gold offset stroke. With that selected, we're going to click over here in our graphic styles panel. We're going to click on the plus sign to add a new graphic style based on what we have selected on the artboard. So we get a little preview window that shows white and a gold inset. So the appearance attributes of whatever you have selected on the artboard are saved as a style. We can double click on this and give it a better name. We're going to just call this new style banner. So maybe all of our banners, we want to have that look. You can see we now have the tooltip showing up as well. Back in our appearance panel, we can now see that this path now has the graphic style of banner applied to it. Take your selection tool and click on this second banner down here, the lower one. And in our graphic style panel, we're going to click on this effect called banner, and that's going to apply it. Quite easy. All right, updating a graphic style. So once you've created one, you can update it, and all artwork that has it applied will update as well. If you go in and edit the appearance of artwork that has a graphic style applied, so we can apply this graphic style, but if we go in and edit this now and change this outline to blue, it's only going to change this one instance, not the style itself. We have to work other ways to update a style. So with the banner shape Fest down here still selected, we can see that the banner is being applied to it. And in the appearance panel, we can also see at the top that it's being applied. In our stroke row of the appearance panel, we're going to click on the color box until we get our swatches to show up. And we're going to change it to the light green named Text Stroke. So notice it only updated the artwork itself right now, not the overall graphic style. Hit Escape or click away, and we're also going to change the size of it down to 3 points. It's a lot thinner. Notice that it no longer says up here Path Banner. It no longer has that banner graphic style applied to it, which makes sense. We can also see over here that there's not an outline around this graphic style indicating that it's applied. That is now gone. If this is the new look that we want to apply to this style, not just this one instance, we're going to drag this exact selected shape onto this, but we're going to hold Option while we do it, or Alt on a PC. So Option and drag, and when you see the plus sign, you can let go of your mouse and then let go of the Option or Alt key. That updated this graphic style to be as this selected piece of art is. You can click away, and we'll do a File, Save As, and we are good through page 381.